In this video, you'll learn how to add an upsell on Stan Store. This process will allow you to create a complementary product that enhances your main offering, potentially increasing your sales and customer satisfaction. Start by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Locate the option labeled My Store on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to your store's management area where you can manage your products and services. Once you are in the My Store section, look for the button that says plus add product/service. This button is typically found near the top of your screen. Clicking on it will open a new interface where you can input details for your upsell product. Now, create your upsell product. Consider making it a lower cost item or something that complements your main product. Fill in the necessary fields, such as the product name, description, and price. Ensure that the product details are clear and enticing to encourage your customers to consider the upsell. After saving your upsell product, return to your main product page. Here, you will want to link or suggest the upsell. Look for the option that says Add Section or navigate to the product description area. This is where you will include a mention of your upsell, encouraging customers to explore it. Once you have added the upsell suggestion, it is important to check how it appears on the product page. Preview the changes to ensure the upsell is visible and well positioned to catch the attention of potential buyers. This visibility can significantly impact whether customers take advantage of the offer. For an enhanced experience, consider using automation tools like Zapier. These tools can help you send an upsell offer via email or a digital delivery link after a purchase has been made. Setting this up can streamline the process and introduce your customers to the upsell automatically, increasing your chances of additional sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.